What you watching?
Melinda, what are you doing in my room?
Spying on you.
Great, now she's probably going to start spreading false rumors about me. It's probably going to be something like...
Hey Gina, did you hear? My sister plays with dolls. Hey Crystal, Nina watches Teletubbies. Nina doesn't like pie.
I need to go get some air. I wish I wasn't such a dope. I want to change, but guess that's not gonna happen. Holy Zeus! What the heck was that?